Hi, I'm Jason with Solutions Pest and Lawn, and this is Pest Support, where you ask the questions and we give the answers. Our question today is, how do I get rid of anthills? This is a very common question because seeing anthills in your yard is typically the first sign that you have an ant problem. When you're seeing anthills, you're most likely dealing with fire ants, especially if you live here in the South. So here are some tips on how to get rid of anthills in your yard. As satisfying as it may be, first you want to resist the urge to kick or stomp on the mound. This will anger the ants at best and scatter the colony at worst. This will just make your ant problem harder to get rid of because the displaced ants will just create satellite colonies in other places in your yard. And with that in mind, make sure to not mow over any of the anthills. Remember, you're just going to scatter the ants. Ants nest deep underground, and so those mower blades are just going to destroy the top of the hill. You'll want to use pro-grade insecticides to get rid of the ants fast. First, you'll want to use a fire ant killer to directly treat the mounds. After that, use insecticide granules with the liquid concentrate to treat the rest of the yard. This will take care of any of the ants that were out foraging at the time you treated the nest. You can also use a liquid insecticide to drench the mound for deep control. Be sure to treat every anthill that you see. The surviving ants probably won't band together to come after you, but why take that chance? I'm Jason with Solutions Pest and Lawn, and this is Pest Support. If you have any pest control questions you need answers to, or have any pest-related problems you need help with, stop by one of our stores, visit our website, or give us a call and get help today. The surviving ants probably won't band together and come after you, but why take a chance? It's gold, Colin. It's comedy gold.